So after login to your Acelle customer panel, you will see a user interface like this. Then you will click sending server. So I already added a sending server to this account. You can connect your sending domain. Then you need to create a email list. For creating a email list, click the list, then fill up all the details, then click save. So I created a test email list. Now I'm going to upload my email list inside the test email list. Then click setting, then click import, click choose file, select, click import, then click overview. Click view all. So I imported two email list. If you want to connect your email list subscriber form inside your web page, then you can connect this email list subscriber form inside your web page. Then you can send email automatically to your email subscriber and can build up your IP reputation easily. And if you don't have your website subscriber email subscriber, then no matter you can send email, but I recommend you to send real email campaign and to your subscriber. If you send email to you non-subscriber, then this call one kind of spam email. So if you want to get better open rate and good result, then I recommend you to do real email marketing. So now I create a test email campaign. If you want to create automation, if you want to create follow-up or automation email campaign, then click automation. Then click add new. Now you can send automation email based on time period, like first day. At the beginning of the first day your email will be delivered, then after 2 days later you can send another email campaign. So everything will be do so everything we so everything will be automated here. If you select automation trigger, and if you want to send regular email campaign, then click campaign, then click create new campaign and choose a regular, to which click select the email list you want to send, then click save and next. Then click save and next. Then design a email template. Then click this email template. Then click next. If you want to send email campaign instantly, then select the time, or if you can schedule the time schedule, then click save and next. Then review all the steps, and finally you can send email campaign. So after 1 or 2 minutes your email will be delivered. Thank you.